Kia Too Technical. I'm back again with another video, and today I'll just be doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Tab S9 FE. This came out last year in 2023, but I caught it on sale. We're just gonna unbox this bad boy, and we're gonna see what you are getting when you unbox this. So they make it very, very easy nowadays. You just get your pull tabs. Bear with me. Pull tabs. If I pulled that off right, just like that. This is the 10.9-inch variant. Over there for now. And you are greeted with the lovely tablet. This is the gray variant. Just feel like tissue on the outside. So feels nice in my hand. I do like the weight of it. It's lightweight. You get your little camera there. This does double as a fingerprint scanner. Your I guess this is your volume up and down button right here. Yeah, and this doubles as your power button right here. Power button, as you can see, coming over here. You do get access to where you can use this with a keyboard if you want to, and that is good. You do get your USB Type C. You do get one speaker here, and I believe here. And you also get access to the SD card slot, and that is another reason why I like going with Samsung devices, because I can load more storage. But this currently is the 128 gigabyte, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and I have 128 gigabyte SD card that I'll throw it in here, and that'll bump me to 256 for now. So I'm going to put that down real quick. We are also greeted with the lovely S Pen, and that is another reason why I like buying Samsung tablets over iPads. But I do like iPads, so don't get me wrong. But it's just you're getting the tablet plus a S Pen instead of having to buy the tablet and then go pay $100 and something on the pen. You get it all in once, and I feel like that's how it should be. But Apple is going to be Apple, and it does sit right there, as you can see, and it'll also sit on the back of here, but I'm not going to do that. I don't really like that look, but it can sit right back there, as you can see. But we will put it up here like so. It's a very lightweight. I have to get a screen protector and a case for this. That is something that I need to get. In here, this is your USB-C to USB-C charging cable, but I'm not going to mess with that because I already have enough of those laying around. And then you get your pamphlets in the inside, and then this is your SIMS removable slot, which is for the SD card. I put everything back in the box. This is a mid-range tablet, and I am very, very okay and fine with that. I'm not going to be doing anything too crazy with it, but I did want to get a tablet so I do not always have to use my phones for watching consuming content, you know, and wasting space on my phones. I have a tablet to do that on. And this is just the Wi-Fi variant. So this is not the cellular variant. I do not need the cellular variant when I have a cell phone that already has a number in it and with a Sims in it. That doesn't make sense to have two different things going on. Just peeling off the, the plastic around the housing of this. But yeah, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Some people may think it might feel cheap, and it's the FE edition. It might not be good. It does have an Exynos processor. I really don't know anything about those, but we'll see how sluggish it is, if it is any sluggish, because this is a year old, and I do not know what software is running on this right now. But I do like the way it looks and how it feels. Lightweight, yes, you do get bezel, but that is to be expected. But it doesn't look too raggedy or anything like that. This is the exact same size as the iPad 10th generation that I had at first. So this is a perfect size for me. For as of right now. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.